Guys, this is Spy Reaction here, and today I am going to be reacting to 10 mind-blowing discoveries that amaze scientists. So let's just jump right into this because I just can't wait. So let's do this. Okay, starting now. Yeah.
A scientist's job is never done, and they're always working on their latest theory. Eventually, that hard work pays off, and the world learns something incredible.
Yeah.
Here are 10 mind-blowing discoveries that baffle scientists.
What?
Stay tuned for the upcoming question in this video. Be sure to answer in the comment section and upvote your favorite answer so we see it. The most clever answer will be pinned by us. Before we break out the books, take a gander at our channel, and if we blow your mind, hit that subscribe button.
I already hit
Male
it.
contraceptive. Birth control is one of those things that none of us really enjoy doing, but unless you want to spawn new life into the population and be broke and tired for the next 18 years, it's a must. Between condoms, birth control pills, NuvaRings, lions, tigers, and bears, oh my, there's so many options.
Yeah.
We're about to get one more. A new gel called Vasogel is a male contraceptive that prevents sperm from getting into the seminal fluid and is injected into tubes between the testicles and the penis. It's like getting a vasectomy, but it's not permanent. So far, it's got a 100% success rate in monkeys, so it looks like it will be on the market soon.
No.
PMDD treatment. If you're a woman, then you know that PMS is no joke.
What is
Actually,
that?
even if you're a man, then you know PMS is no laughing matter. Believe it or not, there is a worse form of PMS out there, and it's called premenstrual dysphoric disorder,
What is
known
that?
as PMDD. It affects 2 to 5% of women in the childbearing age. In January 2017, scientists discovered a series of molecular mechanisms that could be responsible for PMDD.
What?
If this is the case, then a more effective treatment for PMDD and PMS could be on the horizon.
No.
Lady bits and hormones rejoice. Giant penguins.
Giant penguins?
Penguins
What?
are some of the cutest animals on the planet.
Oh,
Dick
yeah.
Van Dyke even danced with them in Mary Poppins. They're little and pose no threat to us.
Yeah.
But 61 million years ago, you could have been walking down the street with a penguin and it would be nearly as tall as you. According to
What?
some of the oldest penguin fossils to date, some of these creatures were about 5.4 feet tall.
Oh, that's
just
tall.
a few inches shy of the average female height. Today, emperor penguins can reach as much as 3.9 feet, but we can still tower over them, preventing any sort of penguin mutiny that is in the works.
The penguins of Madagascar.
Possible binge drinking cure.
What is this?
There are a multitude of reasons that someone might want to binge drink.
What?
Depression, broken dreams, bad breakups, partying, the list is endless. But
Yeah.
alcohol isn't great for our bodies and can damage our livers.
Yeah.
Scientists have discovered that we've evolved to adjust to drinking alcohol thanks to the thousands of years of humans being drunk. We all have a
No.
variation of a gene that determines how much alcohol we drink. Researchers at the University of Texas Southwestern Medical Center have taken a variation of the genome of non-drinkers and have made it into a pill so that binge drinkers are more likely to go for water instead of booze.
Good job.
Schizophrenia gene. Mental illness is equivalent to a bull in a china shop, meaning that we don't know the cause, how to predict the illness, and how a person copes with it. However, scientists have recently identified a gene called C4 that increases the risk of schizophrenia. This has made researchers come up with a theory on how the gene may cause the illness. It seems that
How?
the gene does excessive damage, corruption, or even destroying of the connections between neurons in adolescence,
I don't
which is
understand at
why
all.
schizophrenia normally rears its ugly head in the teen years. Hooray for science! So, do you believe that we are alone in the universe? Why or why not keep watching to
I
find out if
don't
it's
believe.
even possible? Spider Ménage à Trois. It
What?
sounds like a terrible title for a horrible adult film, but this is a very real thing that happens in the wolf spider world. If you're afraid of spiders, then this is your kinkiest, worst nightmare.
How?
Female wolf spiders have 2 sets of reproductive organs,
What?
which might be why she can have 2 partners at the same time. But researcher Matthew Parsons at the Susquehanna University in Selinsgrove, Pennsylvania, discovered that the threesome is also a defense mechanism against cannibalism. A female spider is more likely to cannibalize a male partner if she's unimpressed, so having an additional male increases the potential for satisfaction, therefore, no cannibalism. Making metal.
Making metal?
It's something that has never existed before, and it's coming soon. Scientists have long dreamed about turning hydrogen into metal. Hydrogen is the world's lightest element, and until 2017, it was just a fantasy. But thanks to scientists at Harvard University, it could soon become a reality. Harvard was able to convert a tiny amount of hydrogen into metal, and they're moving on to a bigger amount. If successful, things like levitating railways and faster supercomputers could be on the horizon.
Yeah.
Cosmic jellyfish.
What?
Spotted in the remote ocean depths near Samoa, a mysterious cosmic jellyfish was spotted having the time of its life. The luminous, ethereal-like jellyfish is believed to be a newly discovered species, and it was found 9,800 feet below sea level. If you take a good look at it, it looks like an underwater UFO. Scientists are baffled, but are having a hard time studying it because it would take a lot of resources and specimens to study it under a microscope. So for now, it's all learning through observation. 7 Earth-like planets. In the constellation of Aquarius, scientists discovered 7 Earth-like planets surrounding a star. While the stars don't emit as much energy as the sun, scientists believe that these planets could very well host life. The planets are about 39 light years away.
That is so short.
That within a decade, we will know whether or not these planets host
That's so
life.
short compared to the other planets.
Earliest signs of life.
What?
We learned in school that the Earth is pretty old.
Yeah.
That's a given. However, just how old life is can be a pretty intense debate in the scientific world. Now, when we say life, we're not saying animals, leaves, or humans. We're talking about cells and little goops of gunk that eventually evolved into what life is today. On March 1st, 2017, scientists made a startling announcement. In Canada, researchers discovered fossils inside rocks that are the remains of tiny tubes, knobs, and filaments. Why is this a big deal? Well, the fossils could be up to 4.28 billion years
That's gotta
old,
be the
and
most
could
oldest
be the
fossil
earliest signs
ever.
of ancient life that we've ever had. It's hundreds of millions of years older than the original evidence of early ancient life that we currently have.
That's amazing.
So, remember when we asked you if you believed whether we are alone in the universe?
Yeah.
Why do you or do you not believe this? Tell us your answer. Remember to upvote your favorite answer and we'll pin it to the top. Thanks for watching. But wait, what if there are things science got wrong? That has totally happened. What can't science explain yet?
So
Well,
the video ended. So okay guys, I'm going to end it here. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed, please like and subscribe. And see you guys later. Peace out. Bye.